everyone, this is Gretchen Ho, and like every Filipino basketball fan, I'm so excited to learn that Kai Soto is finally back in Manila to join the Gilas Pilipinas team for the upcoming 2021 FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers. I'm sure everybody wants to know his sentiments on joining the national team and pursuing the biggest dream of all, making it to the NBA. But before getting to that, what better way to welcome our homecoming king than with the words of the President of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas and President and CEO of SMART and PLDT Chief Revenue Officer. Let's all welcome Mr. Alfredo S. Panlilio.
Thank you and hello, Gretchen. I hope you're well. As the head of the SBP, I'd like to thank everybody who are here, but really just to say also thank you to the whole team, headed by Coach Jong Yuchiko, Coach Tab Baldwin. I know Coach Norman and Coach Boyet and Sandy, Sandy were all helping. And our young men, young players in the Gilas program, in the Gilas pool that's here today, that's really competing to Doha. Of course, one of them is really a bright prospect of Philippine basketball, Kai Soto, who's, as you know, 7'3". You can't really teach height. He's very athletic. He has very good basics. But obviously, he has to still grow. He's only 18 years old, but a great future for Philippine basketball with Kai Soto. The story of Kai is very nice, very inspirational. Maybe he might be the best young man since he was in the Batang Gilas program many years ago. Went to the World Cup, has the experience, and now toiling it in the U.S. Improving his craft and making sure, hopefully one day, the first Filipino to be drafted in the NBA. So, but he's still only 18, so much things to be done. He's still just developing as a person, as a player. So let's give him space. Let's support his journey. Very difficult journey for him, for sure, but he's committed to improve himself. He's also committed to the national team program, and I appreciate that. And really, our vision for our Gilas program, as you know, is to bring this to the World Cup 2023. Just a last note, I guess, again from our chairman, MVP, who's been the biggest patron of sports here in the Philippines. PLDT and SMART will always support sports. In this case, of course, the Gilas program, making sure that we're able to bring the best talent that we can and really compete internationally to the standards and benchmarking ourselves with the best. Because like PLDT and SMART, we also want to excel and do our best every time. So again, thank you this afternoon for being here. Kai, welcome. We are here to support you all the way. Again, I'd like to thank the team that's competing in Doha. Thank you for the sacrifice, and para sa bayan, puso, laban Pilipinas.
Thank you so much for the encouraging words, Sir Al. Kai has definitely become an inspiration for Filipino basketball fans because of his passion for the sports. And to let us know more about this, let's hear it from SMART Senior Vice President and Head of Consumer Wireless Business. Let's welcome Ms. Jane J. Basas.
Thank you, Gretchen. These days, it's not enough for the youth to just be passionate about what they do. They also have to have a bigger purpose behind their every action. And Kai definitely relates to this because as he broadens his horizons, he also carries with him the hopes of Filipino basketball fans for him to open the doors for homegrown ballers to make it to the world stage. He is breaking the glass ceiling for Filipino basketball players, and I'm sure a lot are inspired that they too have a chance of making it as a global player someday. And we are right behind you on your journey. Para sa bayan, puso.
Thank you so much, Miss Jane Basas. I'm sure everybody looks up to Kai because of everything he's accomplished at a very young age. And now, it's time because we're very, very fortunate to have a chance to talk to the man of the hour, our wonder kid, the newest Gilas Pilipinas team member, Kai Soto. Hello, Kai. Hi.
Hello, Ate Gretch. How are you?
So how has life been in quarantine?
It's a little challenging, pero kahit pa paano, I make the most of it. Sobrang excited lang ako sa mga next following days and pagdating ko sa bubble sa Laguna. Yun.
Boring ba dyan sa quarantine? Twice a day ka nag-training. Anong ginagawa mo in the middle of everything?
Dinala ko yung PlayStation ko, so pag na-bored ako, naglalaro ako.
Pakita mo nga sa amin yung hotel room mo. How does it look like?
Ngayon, nasa bed ako, so wait, I'll show you. So, andyan yung gamit ko. Medyo magulo. Naglagay ako ng chair kasi pag maglalaro ko ng PlayStation kasi medyo malabo yung mata ko. So, kailangan ko lumapit. And ito yung living room ko. So, tinabi ko yung mga gamit and nag-request ako for a bike para to stay active. And nag-request din ako dumbbells. Tapos, yung mga para sa workout ko, nagdala ko ng weight vest and everything. So, ayun. Got to stay active during quarantine.
Abot mo na ba yung ceiling? Patingin nga. Subukan mo nga abutin.
Abot kay ceiling, hindi nga ako jump ropes kasi tumatama sa ceiling.
Kai, you have been training in the States for about 2 years. Apart from your height, how much have you grown as a basketball player?
Para sa akin, yung 2 years ko sa US is probably the biggest 2 years of improvement para sa akin. Sobrang daming nagbago sa buhay ko. Sobrang daming opportunities na dumating sa akin and sa family ko. And pagdating sa basketball, na tumaas lalo yung confidence ko sa sarili ko.
Kasi nakita ko yung video mo na pinost mo recently. Ano ba yung kwento nun? Bagong moves ba yung natutunan mo? Yung, ang tawag doon? Yung under the knee dunk na?
Parang na-feel ko lang na siguro kaya ko to, ganyan. Kasi lagi akong inasar ng tatay ko na gawin mo nga yan, gawin mo nga yan, gawin mo nga yan. So, minsan pagkatapos ng mga workouts, may mga bagay lang ako na tinatry. So, isa lang siguro yun sa mga na-try ko and yun, happy lang ako na nagawa ko na rin siya.
What have you specifically been working on in your game?
More of lang talaga, more of being more aggressive and getting stronger kasi yun lang naman talaga yung kulang ko. Tinutulungan din ako ng mga trainers ko, mga coaches ko from a mental standpoint. Hindi lang physically pero mentally din kasi yun yung magiging lamang ko sa mga kalaban.
What do you think you should still work on in your game?
Marami pa akong kailangan i-improve. Hindi pa ako yung perfect na player. Hindi pa ako yung best version of myself. Kaya sinusulit ko yung bawat araw na may time ako para makapag-workout. Sa tingin ko, gusto ko lang ngayon na makipag-bond ng maayos sa mga magiging teammates ko dahil yung mga halos lahat na mga players sa Gilas is first time ko sila makakasama. So, hopefully maging strong yung band namin kasi magiging malaking tulong yun sa upcoming games.
Hindi naman kaila na talagang napaka-supportive ng family mo. They moved to the States with you. How crucial is that for you, having your family around?
Sobrang crucial and sobrang importante nun para sa akin. Kasi para sa akin, iba talaga pagkasama mo yung pamilya mo. Magaan yung loob mo dahil lagi mo kasama yung pamilya mo, laging may makakatulong sa'yo. And kapag nahihirapan ka, madali silang nandyan para iangat ka and tulungan ka.
Anong madalas sinasabi sa'yo ng daddy mo? Strict ba siya sa'yo? Anong klaseng coach siya?
Hindi ko masabing strict siya kasi parang teammate ko na din siya. Alam mo parang friend, parang tatay, parang teammate, parang coach, parang all in all siya Sobrang thankful nga ako na magkaroon ng tatay katulad niya na naglaro din ng basketball professionally. Sobrang laking tulong yun para sa akin.
Kung si daddy, coach mo, si mami naman, anong role niya sa formation mo?
Si Mami, kung nakikita niya kung gaano akong kasipag, ganun din siya kasipag kasi lahat ng bagay behind the scenes siya gumagawa and siya tumutulong para sa akin. And Para sa akin, mama ko yung pinakamagaling magluto sa buong mundo. Sobrang thankful lang talaga ako na nagkaroon ako ng magulang na katulad ng nanay at tatay ko. Kaya masayahin akong tao dahil, ayun nga, thankful ako and blessed ako para sa kanila.
You've been working hard, you've been training hard, but what do you do on your spare time?
During my spare time, tinutulungan ako ni Tita Patty and ni Tita Chow para sa Kaiju Global Academy ko. Kasi yun talaga yung dream ko na dati pa yung mag-give back and to serve as an inspiration para sa next generation.
Paano mo
Yun,
naisip itong Kaiju Academy, yung konsepto niya?
sabi ko nga, yun nga yung goal na para sa akin na mag-give back, tumulong, mag-train ng mga kids and magdala rin ng mga teams from other countries. And kasama na rin syempre yung Pilipinas doon. So
Bakit nga ba Kaiju?
yung kaiju is it's Japanese for big monster. Like if you watch Pacific Rim or Godzilla, I think Godzilla is a kaiju and it's a big monster and yun lang yung parang gusto kong maging dating sa akin na to be a beast on the court. So, yun.
What is your message for the kids who look up to you, those who want to live their lives with passion and purpose just like you do? As we've seen, you went for your NBA dream, but not only did you do that, you also went the extra mile by building your own academy and knowing what legacy you want to leave.
Yung message ko lang sa mga kids, para sa akin, stay positive. Always believe in yourself kasi dadating yung time na ida-doubt ka ng mga tao. Believe in yourself lagi and kailangan mong magsipag and lagi mo tatandaan na may purpose ka sa buhay. So, may mga dadating na challenges na mahihirapan ka, na maiisip mo na mag-give up ka na lang kasi sobrang nahihirapan ka. Pero kapag nalagpasan mo yung challenge na yun, makikita mo kung gaano kang naging mas mabuting tao and paano ka nag-improve na as a person. So, ayun lang yung message ko para sa mga young kids out there.
Maraming salamat, Kai. Oo, we're very, very excited to see you play finally for Gilas Pilipinas. And we're just so happy that you are back home. Thank you for choosing to fight for the Philippines.
Thank you then.
Maraming salamat, Kai Soto, for joining us. We're definitely rooting for you and the rest of the Gilas Pilipinas squad. This has been Gretchen Ho for the special feature with our newest Gilas Pilipinas team member, Kai Soto. Abangan niyo po ang third window ng 2021 FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers happening in Doha, Qatar. Laban Pilipinas, puso!